Okay, so I've got, it's been split up, A's been split up into some prime factors and so is B. I've got to write A using index notation, and it'll be 2 to the power of, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, so 2 to the power 4, times by 3 squared, so it's 2 3's, and then times by 5, and finally times by 7. 1 mark. Show that the highest common factor of A and B is 1260. Well, it's quite nice to show that question, so I make sure I get 1260. If I get 1260, I'll have got it right. So I'm going to do this by highlighting. And I'm just looking at the factors which go into both. So I've got that 2 and that 2. I've got that 2 and that 2. There's no more 2's on the bottom in B, so I can forget about the 2's. I can go to 3. This one's got a 3 here, and this one's got a 3 here. And there's another 3 there, and another 3. And we got 1 5 there, and 1 5 there, and finally we got 1 7 there and 1 7 there. So if I times all those together, then that number will go into both of them. And so I need to do 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 7, and lo and behold, on a calculator, that does equal 1260. So that's good. I've shown that, and show that B is larger than A without working them out. When it's bolded like that, it actually means without working them out. And so what I've got here, well, actually the highlighting way has really helped it, because A, the bits I've highlighted there, we just know come to 1260. So A equals 1260 times by just a 2 and a 2. So that's 1260 times by 4. And B equals the highlighted things, which we just know comes to 1260, times by 5. And one's times by 4, the other one's times by 5. Obviously, B is bigger. And as I say, you probably write down some words, because it's 1260 times by 5 as opposed to 1260 times by 4. But that's it. I say it's worthwhile having a highlighter in your exam, because it makes it much easier to read without crossing things off. Very nice way of doing it. Recommend you get one. And that's question 11 done.